through how to do a Pec Major stretch. Now, Pec Major has a lot of attachments onto your rib cage and collarbone. It attaches from the bottom part, goes through your sternum, and it has some sort of rib attachments through here as well. So you can actually stretch this Pec Major in 3 different ways to get all 3 of those different fibers. All you need is a wall and an upright, but we're going to add a little bit of an active component to this as well. I'll show you the difference between passive versus active as well. So we can go elbow quite low at this 90-degree position, hand rotated inward slightly so it's sort of matching this forward part. And when you squeeze into the stretch, I want you to think about you are pulling your shoulder blade back behind you to help the stretch, not just falling into the stretch. This actually gets you more of an active stretch rather than a passive stretch. So from here we are squeezing your shoulder blade behind you and gently pushing our chest forward. You should feel a gentle pull through the pec muscle. No pain in the shoulder joint should be experienced. Then we can go up a little bit higher. Again, we're squeezing back behind you to get the chest to open up. We're going one more little higher there as well. So you can work through a plane through here with that active squeeze moving through. I normally hold a stretch for between anywhere 3 to 5 seconds and do about 5 repeats. You just do as many or as little as you feel as though you're getting benefit from.